AJ. Ah, Jehovah. This is for Chelsea fans who against AJ. Handkerchief. Against supporters union. Ah, AJ. G. We are singing now against Chelsea. They are losing tonight. AJ. Ah. AJ. Against supporters union, you will hanky. Nana Chelsea, they are losing. Champions League finals. No. Oh! I was saying exercise. That was for Chelsea. That was for Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans, that was for you. Tonight, two people are losing. It is against supporters union versus Chelsea. Right, my brain. What's so bad against back? Anyway, that was for Chelsea. And tonight is the Champions League finals between Chelsea and Manchester City. I'm a Manchester United fan. Pass a Chelsea, but we need that trophy way there. And Kabofan Kwatano winning. Any team can. Please, Sankrofono. What they take do is when we lost the Europa League, the Europa League trophy, same agenda. So I am encouraging every Manchester City fans, no more country. I'm here, yes, the entire. Anyway, I have an interesting guest for today's show. We are going to have a very palatable conversation. What I said about me commercial break about agenda so we go end this show because Chelsea must fall. We need to call you Sheldon, and I heard is big for a reason. I shall be back like Terminator. Welcome back to the MX Social Show. Asana mbesa no hanu mangwa comment you. I was me call gym na de ekwe. Anyway, you are welcome back to the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. Now we are live on our social media pages. Comment, share, tag your friends, tell them the agenda in the principle of what violence senior high school. Majima Konya, and it is about to go down. I have an interesting guest with me today. Today we are going to do a live breakdown of a music video and a song. So yes, you for stay with us because content near the top tier content in Kwan, and we have a lot of topics, things have trended, issues have trended on social media. We are going to talk about it and all, bro. It is about to go down. Tell your friends to tell another friend, and when you a some marketing, network marketing, our page is because Majima Konya. Anyway, so let's go straight into it today. On this episode, I have the GOAT of Ghana music. The GOAT, Aponche, mayor of Ghana music. He saved Ghana rap music. He saved Ghana music in general. He saved African rap. He said he's a better rapper than your favorite rapper. And you can't do anything about it. So, yes, I am here with AY Poyoo. Bro, how far?
Everything cool.
Everything cool.
Everything.
China, they like your hairstyle. I don't have a hair, so I shouldn't comment about it.
If you have some, like by this time, a miller will press you to say a demo.
Oh, so I'm gone. I'm new. The way you move to me.
Oh no, but I guess some people their way they complain, but them are hair like. I say your boss so ball.
Oh wow! But which team do you support?
Chelsea.
You are a Chelsea fan?
Yeah, I was at Manchester United, but my mom, my mom is a Chelsea fan. I cannot look at my mom and then, like, no.
I don't understand.
I have to.
Based on your mom's feelings, you switch from Manchester United to Chelsea.
I know they will lose, but I'm trying to. We have hope.
So you know Chelsea will lose?
Yeah, but we have hope.
You have hope?
Yeah.
Okay. So Manchester United lost the Europa League finals to Villarreal. Yeah. Of course, I'm not concerned. I'm not bothered. It's not paining me. What I say. But you said you used to be Manchester. At what point did you switch?
I have their jerseys. Once the jerseys are lost, I'm no more their fan.
That is how you support football clubs. When the jersey go missing, or you are done.
And mostly I support them when the team is winning.
That is how. Then you're a plastic fan.
I'm not plastic.
But if you support a team when they are winning only,
I cannot come and kill myself for you.
Okay. So
once that you are winning, I'm your fan.
But tonight you think Chelsea is gonna lose, right?
Tonight, depending on how my mom, Emrewa team is on there.
Who's it Chelsea Emrewa team?
Oh yeah, I beat my mom. My I say Chelsea.
Wow.
What they know is Chelsea.
Women fellowship for.
Yeah.
So
I'm supporting my family.
Okay. Anyway, so let's go. AY Poyoo, that is how he supports the teams. Okay, so yes, that is AY Poyoo telling us on not supporting Chelsea because of his mom. But anyway, let's move on to the next topic, which is about music. He's a musician. He's the GOAT of Ghana rap. Now, you have heard about the BET nominations, right?
Yeah.
It has come out, and no Ghanaian was nominated, even you.
Yeah.
You weren't nominated. And
you cannot compare yourself to me, because I'm willing to get Grammys.
You want to win Grammys?
Yeah.
BET no be important to you?
Oh, it be important, but once even those who started before me weren't nominated. How much more me?
But your song GOAT did amazing. Like it got
maybe they've not recognized it. Like they've not seen it yet.
So you are not bothered.
Yeah.
But generally, you've seen Wizkid has been nominated, Burna Boy, other artists from other countries and all. Do you feel like as a Ghana there, because Wizkid didn't even release a lot of music in the year under review, but he was nominated. But here they came here and like nobody. Do you think the music they do, they get a global impact, or it is just vibes and inshallah?
I don't think so, but my music is a global music.
Okay.
So when it's your time, you'll be nominated.
What makes your music global?
What do you think make my music global?
I'm asking you.
I'm also asking you because you know it's global.
No, I know. No. You are the one who you are. You have the analytics and all. So you are saying your music is a global music. What makes your music global, and why have you not been nominated?
Nigerians have the numbers,
Okay.
And Ghanaians, we have to push on ourselves to that level.
So you think that the unity is not there, or what? As compared to the Nigerian market?
I'm not talking about the unity. Let's put the unity aside.
Okay, talk to me.
The Nigerian market is worldwide, like everywhere, Nigeria, everywhere. And there are many. And I think unity amongst them, like they push each other.
Okay.
So let's come to Ghana. Ghana, one musician want to go and win the Bobundi, but that's not how Nigerians move. They move together.
It comes to the unity aspect of the whole thing.
And I wanted you to understand the population of Nigeria.
No,
like,
okay.
There are many. So,
market-wise,
So immediate when it drops, and they support their own.
Exactly.
Immediate when it drops, they are pushing it.
Okay.
But Ghana here, you are 2,000 in numbers. Okay. And once you have to support your own. You are doing your own, like no, that's not how you can win.
Let's see. So that is your new music video. You say trap without T is a rap, right?
Yeah.
So that is what is the inspiration behind the music video? Because as they say they fly in.
I went to heaven, and as I was coming.
You went to heaven?
Yeah.
How?
I immediate when I finished recording the song.
Yeah.
Trap without T is a rap. It's true, but I wanted to make sure. I went to ask God. I wanted to go and ask God that is it true? No, listen. Is it true that trap without T is a rap? But when I get there, God was doing meeting with Kum Chacha. So we wanted to come back. If you see the video, there is this bird flying through the video. Like, it was Angel Gabriel.
So you have had an encounter with God.
He was at a meeting.
So you didn't meet God?
Yeah, but I meet Jesus.
Okay, but do you think this song will fit? In the future, in the near future, do you think this kind of song will fit get like a nomination for a BET?
Why? Why not?
You think this song has the BET potency in it?
What do you think a song should have before it will be nominated for BET?
But what is the message of this song that you?
I'm trying to tell you the truth. Trap without T is a rap.
That is the message of the song.
And did you go to kindergarten?
No.
Yeah.
I was homeschooled.
And you didn't learn trap without T. Trap without T is what?
It's rap.
It's true.
Okay, so this is a BET material.
Yeah.
A Grammy material song.
Everything. What can you see there? Heaven. Immediately when we are going, everyone was like, yo, Poyoo. Maza, it's not easy to go to heaven and come.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is AY Poyoo giving us the inspiration behind his hit single Trap Without T. It's a rap. What I said, Trap Without T. It's a rap. And the music video, according to him, he was about to talk to God about the whole concept and things, but not God. And Kum Chacha were meeting, so the meeting didn't come on. But that is the inspiration behind the song, and the song is available on all streaming platforms, on his YouTube. And I know Marco streaming that. I recommend my beat in the Grammy committee near Koya. Stream it. It's everywhere. It's on Spotify and everywhere, right?
Yeah, it's on every digital store.
Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next topic on our list. There's this suspected burglar. The person they dress like he be ghost. He will come your house, come steal your things. They wear Please show. I beg, roll the pictures for the screen. Roll the pic. So this man, he go dressed like he be ghost. You see that skeleton shadow in the print, you know, plus mask and all those things. Then he will come rob you for your house. He has been arrested in Zimbabwe. Bro, look. Personally, if I open my gate or if I open my door and I see this guy start, I will run. I mean, I'm not going to lie.
That guy is a legend.
You Bob, how can you? But what do you think about?
You know, I have many Zimbabwe friends.
Yeah.
Like, I have.
Look at the face.
one musician friend there called Vanchoga.
Okay.
And he was talking about this thing. He was like, bro, so if someone come to your house and dress like a ghost and want to rob you, you have a gun, what do you want to do? I was like, yo, you can kill the person. No, Zimbabwe don't do that. We will just take you, book flight, take you around, leave you into the... And I was like, yo.
That is how they punish
He was trying to explain. He said, oh, the police, when they come, they won't do that. This boy, we have to arrest him and then put him in jail. After they put him in that, like, he was trying to explain something. And I was like, I didn't know it's this guy.
Okay, so that thing he was talking about.
Yeah, he was talking about. And you know their language, sometimes.
But basically, what do you think about this? Is
this thing is a legend.
The guy is a legend.
Oh, because you cannot be like, yo.
But he's been arrested. I mean, eventually.
You've been a legend, and I've been. This picture is forever and ever. Amen.
But wait, let me put it into context. When you come back from town, wherever you went to, and you open your door and you see this thing, how are you going to react? So yes, the
first time, the first Oyambe show, Master.
That'll be the thing, because look at the mask. No, the skeleton them drawing in his face. I don't see difference. You know his face is bony.
No, like you see, you
understand?
But the guy is a legend. Once that you think,
he's crazy, right?
Yeah, those who think outside the box, they are legends. Because who would think like this? Like this thing may be that Christmas, you know,
Halloween.
Yeah.
They said he carry Halloween come Africa.
So it's
but then he has been arrested, and I don't know what they are going to do to him. But
wait,
this is
I don't know. No, they have to ask him. These people, they have minds, so because people have been robbing with a gun, and you just go armless, and then
you supernatural.
So they have to find a work for him, because you know, I'll talk to my Zimbabweans, they'll do that.
All right, so that is skeleton okokrobo there for you. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Me say Ghana and SMCCO, things they happen for this country, and sometimes when you think about some of these things, it just go bust your mind. Normally, when something they burn, or houses or anything, fire catch something where they burn, you know what they can't talk about, you start to laugh. If they come and, fire service car, paying pony, a bunny, a boon, so this one there, it'll be fair show, then go call fire service. Fire service pull up in a taxi with fire extinguisher. Just somebody do me, John. Bovidio, no man, no, yeah. Never much master, what they Bovidio. You see this country, you see, we change or see legends. Yen.
W. You see the area, they don't need fire service car. Taxi.
No, but
see, it depends on the area.
No. It's not a matter of being an area. See, this is funny, but it be sad. It be sad. Because how? So the house where
you see the house too. A check like a wood though.
Yes, I would say that. I should say be the squatters of them at this thing.
So where?
Oh, they are coming. The legends are coming. Yes, they will pull up in a taxi right now. Yes, Somaba legends, Somaba. Yes, they came in a taxi. I thought they had gallons of water in the boot. Oh, when you fire extinguisher. Now I share inferno where I share. How do you use extinguisher to quench? Which country with this now? No. See, it don't be funny. This thing be sad. This be sad. Come on, man. It's not funny. Why? Make me be serious. This is the state of the country. Yeah, but you see, they lack logistics, and that is it. Ghana National Fire Service. Look.
You just say Ghana.
Oh, and I won't move taxi. Or the grow here, no Eastern region. I do we see. Now, how you go to quench the fire?
No, I think someone is in the office detecting the amount of fire burning. So,
Charlie, what a wrong guy.
No, it's true because if you are not detecting the amount of fire burning, you cannot carry 2 extinguishers and taxi.
No, but the basic underlying factor is they lack logistics. Basically, they don't have the car. Almost say then someone was saying almost somewhere you bought.
No, I say carburetor.
But Charlie, is that into fear? I say this thing happening. God forbid.
No,
why this thing happen?
In fact, if you arrive with this thing, I'll slap you.
Yes, seriously, I will slap the hell out of you because the frustration you didn't mean it. First of all, then get there and the thing been finished. That's in the house like we say I share you. And we see a pan on my trip. I say Avengers. I did not share you.
Nah, you know, yo, Charlie, this thing.
No, man,
we have to find those who did that, and then inform court.
Nah,
and I see the whole Eastern region fire service.
But they gave a reason why they came in a taxi.
And what was the reason?
Kali, whatever, and Brita was there. Almost almost
Brita and
I say. Into that they came in. Wait, yeah, they just Grammy. Wait.
No, you're saying I'm on.
Look at the way they came out from the car, like them rich now. I say, Mumia Gates, like bro, my house is on fire. Are you crazy? No, but on a real though, I feel like we need to like logistics. I'll say at the moment because we can't be living like this. This is sad.
No, the person I'm on Antica.
Obi fish show me bro, yo. I wanna fish in bro, this is sad. This is funny and sad.
If you're in a and I say
you don't even know the house. Anyway, but me personally, I feel like we shouldn't be laughing at such issues. I feel like therefore make sure I say them furnish the people with logistics or the best what they are saying because it is getting too much. It will be fear shit. It go fit happen, and sometimes to them go fit drive car. You go fit call them, then go drive empty car. Can't tell you say they don't have water.
Why are you coming?
Why are you coming? Take you. Why are you coming? They'll go drive empty car, come stand there, tell you say we don't have water. Why did you come there?
This is
if demonstrators they do another hitting so I could
you know when a part of this world here, it's interesting stuff like
no, but this is sad. Let's move on to the next one. This one is also about music, and this is something the industry players they have been doing. I think when they see emerging artists or emerging acts they come up, they put impediments or they pass comments that would demotivate them. What they are saying, it has been happening. I don't know if you know Mr. Logic.
Yeah,
he's a panelist or pundit on Hits FM. He's made a remarks about our talk, and I feel like, see, I'm not saying no artist in this country is above reproach or you can't criticize, but you see, these are young actors. They are trying to get their act together. You don't go and sit on radio and say, like, bro, you are a 45-year-old man. How are you hating on a teenager? How? Or a video, no?
That doesn't make any sense. He doesn't make any sense in his song. No, don't say, oh. He doesn't make any sense in his song. See, I will say this and I will say it on authority without any insult. It doesn't mean that he's not talented, though. Andy, there is difference between talented and making sense. The boy has the zeal. Why do you think his mother is pushing him to go back to school?
Because he's young.
Very good. Because the mother can see that there is a lot ahead of the boy that he won't allow fame to get into the boy's head to deviate from education because he needs to learn, upgrade himself in education so he can even transfer that into his songs.
Right.
So I really respected the mother when I heard the mother saying that he should go to school. That's how come I know that gradually that boy can become something. But if you should go and listen to that Yao Tong song, what they inside?
Yeah, but sorry.
That's all.
Yeah, but sorry. What's wrong with that? Yeah, sorry.
Do you understand all the international songs you listen to?
I am coming. You see, Ria, let me finish.
Let me ask you something.
The international songs you listen, they are forward to it.
Do you listen to Migos or something?
Yeah.
And if you compare,
Which
are you
sense
saying Migos don't say nothing?
Which sense do they do in their songs?
They don't make raindrop, drop top, like those songs. Yeah.
Okay, the Migos are actually singing to you the street hustle from the street of New York.
My dear Ben, Migos.
No, I'm coming. And you can't tell me say Migos says nothing in their song.
At the
end of the day, we are not in America. We were with them. We are not supposed to be part of the whole thing. Oh, Andy, it be some favor, some grace being able to so. Some grace being able to so. Be it in Yankaho. That doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so that is Mr. Logic on Hits FM, denigrating, disparaging the works of Yao Talk, saying he said his songs doesn't make sense. His songs don't make sense. Sorry, hey, one cool square bro for you. His songs don't make sense, and that is the reason I name my piano song cool square and things. And back to my point of industry players trying to stifle young artists or mobile. I mean, they don't know the game inside very well, but then we to make a radio station now are disparaging artists, young emerging artists in the work because you just have the mic. AY, talk to me.
Mera Hokakra, because I can't. When you are all in the same house, say account near account. Yeah. Music and act work is not easy. Entertainment is not that easy.
Okay.
That will be to me. Sorry. Now I told you. Now I'm on for. As soon as I bet so I acquire the Nyansen. At the end of the day, it's entertainment, and we are all young boys, and music, you know, it doesn't necessarily mean say man to am fa ule mu anti mi nka sinyansa nim because people outside there almost so many je ho the boy is doing good and we have a time hotel time like year ko anim nyina na esua nema
okay so you feel like if he needs some time to adapt to the system, right?
Yeah, because unyina na usua nema afoforo kan star ho untimi meka say and a boy massa you are bringing the spirit down.
Yeah, and you see the way he's taking it seriously.
And I feel the hurt because if you come to my page, people have been saying all those things. Yeah. And that will never let you be.
How do you deal with those hate comments? Because I'm sure you get it
like right now it's normal. It's part of my life, so okay. I just ignore it.
But you came in before Yao Talk. He's young. I mean, I think you came in about 2 years, I don't know, 1 year or 2 years ago. So basically, you are accustomed to all these things. But him as an emerging artist, but if he sees this video, how you go feel? Like you see,
you know, I watch Yao Talk on United Showbiz, and with the live band, he couldn't perform, but I was like, yo, next time you can do best, because first time I made a live band, you know, I couldn't.
Okay.
But as time goes on, right now, if you the live band back, that the lumba bon fan. Okay. Oh yeah.
Right now you can do it better.
Samini bon fan.
Wow, you are a better live performer than Samini.
It's not better live performer. Like I'm trying to tell you, with time you can do something to impress everybody.
Okay. But do you think such comments from industry players, you know, they stifle people them are?
No, you cannot be serious like this. No, you can just call me. Oh, yeah, do it like this. Do it like this. Sometimes you need time to do this, do that. That would be nice.
But in his defense, he's a pundit, so that is he does that for a living.
No. If you do this for a living, it's not nice. Like you have to call the person, then tell him, oh yeah, this and that. If you do it like this, you do this. Yeah, that is it. And also your friend is saying, criticism.
Yeah, Tobo. What's that again? Tobo, again.
Nina fa bamubu.
No, I didn't have bamubu. Why you the switch go?
Criticism. Yeah. What?
Young queen.
Nina can be. So you have to tell the boy in a good way. Sometimes you can criticize.
Poyoo on MX Social. I say, how are you?
You can criticize. Yo,
relax, bro. Tombo.
You can criticize somebody in a way that only people who say or criticizing. But you cannot be serious. I'm saying papa no or the neka.
Because the energy.
The way
how? This is like a talk is a teenager.
And I want to mean gas in him because at the end of the day.
I'll see Migos. No, I'll see Migos. You mean young someone will say Migos is Zuko. I won't tell me you say. How about that? How about that?
No, and you no cry. What born you? And you doesn't necessarily mean you to the open mouth.
Exactly.
Open to the open mouth. Rabbit to escape you full album mouth. Oh, that is the point.
And why Poyoo is saying that Mr. Lodge, who specific delivery? Who specific delivery? Contact management. You creating albums specific to your demands.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know they're all better match the Poyoo. Right now, you know Ghana here they don't support.
Oh, they don't support.
Like this is one
typical case.
Typical example because once that mayor you don't know the hustle. Unim the entire between and you are not in my family. So at the end of the day, if you don't tell me to push forward, push hard, and you come and do this, you are Ghanaian.
Okay.
And Master, you are not supporting me to go forward.
Okay. So that is AY for you talking about the fact that when our industry heads and players they need to support the youngins, what they are saying, because it will make sense. Let's go to our Facebook page and read some comments. This one is from Manuel Ray. They say the oldies got nothing better but hate, bitter people. Sheldon, how goats go get Grammy nomination? You need to put some respect on AY Poyoo, okay? This one is from Mohammed Red. I say, Akwesi Abuaji. Hey, no, you can't be saying that. This one is from Manuel Ray. They say, Mr. Logic said, what he talks sense no day inside. So he himself doesn't make sense. And this one is like JK. Say, Poyoo in a whole mood. Okay, Poyoo is a whole mood, but he said it. Okay. This one is from Mr. Logic get a name, but he doesn't have the logic to think. Oh, bro. I've grown the idea. That one they say, I'm not there for you. Anyway, so what your last take on this particular issue about industry players?
I think this is the time we have to support the young ones in the industry. Too. You know, there's something better in us, but you never know.
Okay.
One day, you see me up there and you be like, oh, we're from your crew. That thing, Charlie.
Okay.
You have to sit down then. Oh, young ones never and push you now. Almost bibi papa more mine. Because ye di mudi never. Me call Zimbabwe no busam. Yo,
where do you come?
Where do you come? I come from Ghana.
Exactly. And
they will be looking for Ghana. Hey, and in Ghana they are doing nice stuff, like different stuff. So let's go and check Ghana. Them are roots. Okay. This is what we are expecting. Not you sitting down then. Me na matcher no ope nyansanyuma the ope say etomawa. You just have to come and pay $50,000. Man,
that's a charge.
No, like just come and tell me that yo, this is what I need in the song. This is the words I need. This is the beat I need. And then me ama unkwa no unkwa wetie. Okay. At the end of the day, I'm doing entertainment. So you can't tell me anyumna me nyansanim. Okay. I'm just begging the guy up. Y'all talk. Charlie, keep on doing what you're doing. Okay. Yeah.
That is AY Poyoo coming in with Nyansa Seven. What they are saying, or say we have to encourage the artists. What they are saying before, make sure that we push them because when they go out there, they carry the flag of Ghana, and it is going to help all of us. Now we and we make it sense. It doesn't. They make one industry they move. I think I subscribe to that, what they are saying. Now let's move on to the next one. The next topic, is about Trini Jonas, Glass and Kwan. Now, he's been in the news recently. He's dominated social media spaces, and he's been criticizing our leaders, insulting them. People have cursed him. People are bread. Now, recently, in an interview, a chief this man says he's the Ashanti chief in New York. He's declared your man wanted for passing derogatory remarks about Otumfuo. What is your take on the whole? First of all, what do you feel about the way Trini Jonas they address some of these issues on his live videos or in his live videos? Do you subscribe to his way
This thing is very sensitive. So
no, you are just passing. You are not talking about just the way he. Do you like the way he? I mean,
Ghana here. There are certain things that you think maybe it's right.
Okay.
But it wouldn't be right in the law court and other people. Yeah, so this thing there, we can skip and then go to the other. I don't want to talk about.
Oh no! But
this one is very sensitive.
No, do you subscribe to how he moved to? Okay, so he comes on live video. Now the way Okasano, do you subscribe to how and Kofoka said okay he could do it in a better way, like polishing it and removing the insult and all those things. And Kofoka also said okay, make it continue add the insult and things. Within the between these two, no, which one do they subscribe to? Do you subscribe to him polishing the content, the delivery, and putting it out, or make it just young konkwan?
Sir, nipa there. Why I be not say a man for baby can say yo, what you are doing is not good. You just have to listen to them. Okay. Then maybe you polish it and make it nice for them to.
You subscribe to the fact that he could come up with like a different method of, putting his issues out, right?
Yeah, that would be the best.
Exactly. So that is what I wanted from you. So basically, this chief from New York has come out to say he's declared Trini Jonas wanted for passing a derogatory remarks about Otumfuo. I don't know what power he has in the United States. I don't think he's Interpol or anything, but I don't know. I don't know what he's trying to achieve with that. But then at the end of the day, he has come out to say the man is declared wanted. But I think last 2 days or 3 days, your man was live. He's not been arrested yet. So I don't know what is happening. But Poyoo is saying, the way we put out our grievances, we could polish it in such a way it will be very, very placatory to the person consuming it or the person that we are channeling our energy towards, what they are saying. So let's move on to our next topic. The next topic is very sad because it involves a kid, a caregiver or caretaker. Just say, but video ni mami. Okay, so this is the video of a caregiver maltreating an 11-month young, I'm not going to say old, young, like toddler, kiddie, a caregiver, or and be like the kiddie no one eat the food. You won't make the kiddie chop the food, you shove the food down the kiddie in truth. Eventually the kid died. Yes, the kiddie, then take and go hospital, he died. The woman has been arrested. But this thing has been happening. I don't know if it's with the institutions almost employ some of these people because they don't do background check and all. You could see, say, if he really did know the job he did do, I know go do this. If he didn't know they want drink or do it, how? Why?
Yeah, Charlie. This is very sad because I think those who have been doing this caretaking stuff, I think they have to really go check their minds, and before you employ someone, like check their minds and
background and all those
everything, because you cannot employ someone and you'll be doing this to your case, and well, it will affect the person in.
Bro,
you know,
this is 11 months too.
11 months.
11 months. So basically,
and the person is a lady.
You bab.
Charlie.
Now, if you can't do the work, if you are frustrated, take some day off. Go. How do you come and pour your frustration on someone's kid? Meanwhile, you are being paid. If you don't like the money that they are paying you to take care of the case, walk away. And you're very simple.
They have to know how to do their job.
And see, that is what I say, sir. It's
better.
The institutions. I don't think they do those background checks and all those mental. No. And now I see I employ, because look at this. This is voluntary manslaughter.
And this is more or less like nurse. You have to be careful.
You understand?
Yeah.
Also, you don't know what they do. The kid don't know your environment.
And one day too, you're a woman, you get a child.
You understand?
Those things, Charlie. It's not really good. They have to know who they are employing. That's all. This
is sad, and I hope say them go. They say right now almost investigation here. Whatever the investigation is, at the end of the day, this is a CCTV evidence. Make sure say them go, because no, you can't. No, this is clear evidence. Evidence, but then they are saying alleged. What they say with the law, because of law into the alleged. We know more. By the end of the day, this is an evidence. You know, if you do this to someone's kid, like, you can't be doing this. And this goes back to the institutions. And you're behind and one plan is some will crutch, no. Because they don't want to pay them well. That is what they do. They take anybody they don't want to hire professionals, train people. They just want to, auntie, I go wait to me, no, I bet you now. Meanwhile, you are taking people pay huge sums of money.
Yeah, but some remember 2 million, maybe 2 million, and so.
And so no, sorry, I bet now with the frustration, boom,
they've been paying them well, like when you bet Jumano.
Now, but when you need a Jumano, a very delicate issue. Walk away. What do you mean called boo bibasa? Are they also one room coconut and I when I buy force?
We cry mono. What? Oh, kunangasa.
Anyway, there. So we they go. The kid, as I said, he passed away and all those things. So may the soul rest in perfect peace. And I hope justice. Then we'll get justice for the kid, because we know they subscribe to this. Same winner. Me kwaji commercial break about me ba you better to us. Poyoo wa hanum. I say trap without tea is a rap. Me ba. You are welcome back to the MX Social Show. My name is Sheldon. The head is big for a reason. Join the conversation on our social media platforms with the hashtag MS Social. Drop your comments in the Facebook comment section. I'm here with the GOAT of GH Rap, the guy who saved African rap and Ghana music, Poyoo. And we are having a conversation about what trended on our social platforms this week. Now let's move on to the next one. This one, you know Amanda GC, right?
No.
She be former presenter for His FM. She used to present a show.
Yeah, I've heard the name.
Yeah, she be, yeah. Now, and you know Jerry Justice, right?
Jerry Justice. Yeah.
I do my friend. Now, in an interview, the woman declared, said, you know, they dated, but I say like it'd be like Jerry Justice broke up with her because in people they talk say she be fancy, and they know they want fancy woman. And Yamena make on one in an interview no kind. Yes, or say the people they talk say no, she for they no go allow her make you move to fancy girls and all those things. What is your take about all these things? I mean, like those tribal by God through this and what is your take on that? Because personally, I feel like it be bullshit.
Yeah, sure.
It is 2021 for Christ's sake. What has Fantis, Ewes, and Ashantis and all those things got to do with marriage?
What they don't know is that at the end of the day, we are all Ghanaians and we are one people.
Exactly. We always preach about that. We are one people, one nation, and one destiny.
Yeah.
But when it is time for your child, come on, man.
No, but this is the time you have to stop all those things and come together as one. You know, then times, this is the reason why they do conflict and you know, tribalism and other stuff. Yeah, so I think this is the time you have to stop doing that, and then we just have to come together as one.
Okay, so you don't subscribe to that?
No.
Now let's move on to this one. This one is this is a brilliant initiative. It has been it was initiated by the Ministry of Information to help people like in Tupun and Kwadwo places that they are doing works but they don't have social media platforms or reach to get their works done. So the Ministry of Information, in collaboration with some bloggers and creators, they have decided to come up with a project called Amplified. Now the Amplified is basically a series of social marketing programs that are focused on using the new media leverage of Ministry of Information and association of program partners to support the work of young Ghanaians and to aid them in reaching larger audience. Project to work on social media. Then we step in, we profile you, we put your works out there for free. Nobody is going to charge you, so that you can get ROIs on your investment and all those things. So, Pacho Rolly video, this is a brilliant initiative. DJ Boy.
Of program partners to support the work of young Ghanaians and to aid them in reaching larger audiences with entrepreneurial products and services, social courses, and youth mentorship and inspiring stories. Amplified Business will highlight products and services of young Ghanaian entrepreneurs doing business in Ghana.
Where would I have been if this hadn't happened? It was because someone, threw the spotlight on me and my business.
Amplified Social will focus on advocacy about human-centered issues, adding a stronger voice to issues that confront us.
In our advocacy work, we've come across many parents of children with disabilities, especially cerebral palsy, who do not have a place to take their children. These children are locked up in rooms because schools refuse to admit them. We are happy that the government has an inclusive education policy.
Amplified Success is a weekly conversation on career guidance, mentoring, and leadership for the youth of Ghana.
So Ghana Think's vision is to build a critical mass of young Ghanaian people who are patriotic, passionate, positive, proactive, progressive, and productive.
My word to everybody out there, not just the government, is that if you get on social media and use it to sort of amplify whatever you're doing.
Unknown to me, I was trending on Twitter, I was trending on Facebook with my bags. That singular gesture really brought life back into my business.
We are happy that government is now paying attention to social issues and issues that concerns the vulnerable.
Being able to be mentored around a certain career that you're interested in, around a certain job that you want to get into, around a certain business that you want to run is very important.
Particularly for me, let people know what you're doing. Take feedback and let us get into the pulse.
Amplified, supporting businesses and building people.
That is Amplified. talk to me. What do you think about this?
Yeah. Once that is supporting the youths and then the people in Ghana to, you know, bring out the creative in them and then bring out something unique in them. I think it's a good, you know, platform. You know, we have to invest more in that and then it will do more for us.
Okay. So if, I mean, you can nominate, if you know anybody where you force, like you do, you job, but like, you know, get that rich and all those, you go nominate the partners, Zion Felix, GH Kwadwo, Konkonsa, myself, all the top bloggers, we are part of this project. So you go nominate the person, we would put it to the committee and all those things. They will vet it, vet the project and all. And once the person qualifies for the thing, we will just pull up and create the content around him and make sure that we amplify whatever the person is. This is a brilliant initiative, and this really has caused a problem on Twitter. I mean, when we finished launching it, and I took a picture of the minister and Crawford said, politicians not to me. You know, I told me, and me, I'm TA, they mean the crowd on me, but I'm gonna say I told me. But this is basically us using our platform to help people. Nobody is charging. If I come and profile someone for free, I'm doing it for free. I'm bringing my video guy, my equipment. Nobody is going to charge anyone. And because it be very, like, it be like young entrepreneurs and things we go move to and all those things. It be something where it tie into what we do. I have a show like that, a Hero of the Day, where I profile people like this. So, like, we have to support because there are people doing brilliant works in the communities. They don't even have the social media reach. And this is something that everyone is supposed to be part of. And now I nominate myself. If I look sharp. Okay, Poyoo, what there? Also, I nominate too. We will move to you, but drop a freestyle and a trap without T. It's a rap, Trap without T. It's a rap. Okay. Trap without T. Okay. It's a rap. Okay. Trap without T. It's a rap. Okay. Trap without T. It's a rap. Greatest of all time. And what? A rap gives life. And got touch. Okay. Your girlfriend is happy. Wait, your rap, what? It gives light. And got touch. Your girlfriend. Your rap gives light. But I don't have a touch. You don't have a touch. Bass, my nigga, young cop. Your girlfriend is happy. I'm the source. Wow. Oh, yeah. Hey. Hey, why for yourself? Girlfriend or boyfriend, they be no. He's the source of the young cop. I'm the sauce. Okay. You know, get tomato ketchup. But you want make sauce. How? Money for bank. I got my gang. Mommy water for sea. Pussy for cat. Hey. What? Pussy young question na brand new. Your girlfriend is happy. You are the sauce. Okay. You know, get tomato ketchup. But you want make sauce. How? Okay. Money for bank. Okay. I got my gang. Mommy water for sea. Pussy for cats. Okay. My set a trap. Okay. Who be the rats? My set a trap will be a filly because trap without tea is a rap. Sunday, Kwesiada, Monday, Ejoada, Tuesday, Ebnada, Wednesday, Ukoda, Thursday, Yawoda, Friday, if you be balling on. Listen, baby, I'll be balling on the weekend. And it's true. I'm telling you the truth. Monday is Kwesiad. Monday is a Jordan. Tuesday, I'm trying to convert everything. I want you to understand. Okay. And then when it comes to Saturday, people are balling. Okay. So I've been balling on the Saturdays. Yeah. And then trap without tea is a rap. Trap without tea. Yeah. It's a rap. Pussy is for cat. Wait, your EP is out, right? Or it's not out? No, yet? It's not out yet. When is the EP coming out? Very soon, before the year ends. You release the EP before the album, right? Yeah, and before the album. The tours about in the African countries. When is that? Because you have huge fan base. We have to drop the EP and then we start. Or when the EP comes, the album follows. Then we start the tour. The tour, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, that is AY Poyoo, the GOAT of Ghana music. I say trap without T. It's a rap. It's available on all streaming platforms and his YouTube channel. Of course, you see how I uploaded. You uploaded it yesterday, right? Okay, so it's available on all streaming platforms. Go get it, stream it, blast it everywhere. I'm going to do a breakdown on the breakdown show. I think next week in Tiana, Yeah, support to what I say. Into trap without T.
It's a rap.
Me name is Kwadwo Sheldon. This has been the MX Social Show. Same time next weekend. I will sit here with information because information will react. And where information day, Kwadwo Sheldon day, what I say. My pong. Upo my pong.
Why Poyoo? Made a big flop. Without T, it's a rap. Without T, it's a rap. Without T, it's a rap. Trap 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 without T, it's a rap. Greatest of all time, anger wash. My rap gives lights, anger touch. Your girlfriend is happy, I'm dead sauce. You know the tomato ketchup, but you won't mix sauce. How? Money for bang. I got my gang. I'm a watch out for C. Put it for cat. I said the trap, who be the rats? I said the trap will be a Philip because trap without T, it's a rap. 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 Trap without